Alright, so since we made this little mirror cover out of carbon fiber using a compression mold like this, they got me thinking, can it be done with like a forged or chopped strand carbon fiber? Because that's also something I've never done before, and this is the perfect application for it. Small part, so there's not a lot of chopped strand that needs to be made, and it's a compression mold, which usually lends itself to chopped strand fabrication. So why not try it? I have to make another one of these. I can't have one plastic mirror cover and one carbon mirror cover. So yeah, let's make a forged chopped strand carbon fiber mirror cover. Alright, so we have our two 3D prints, and yes, this is more plastic. I'm kind of trying something new along the way. I know it'll disassemble and it won't stick, so that's a plus, but I also melted a little hole in this one when I was trying to kind of get the little wispies off. So something I figured out is that this drop cloth plastic wrap sticks really well to mold release wax. So I wasn't initially going to do it, but I found that it stuck so well that I'm going to see if it can bridge the little ridges that you get from the 3D print to get a smoother surface. So now that we have the two halves basically prepped and ready to go, and these are our little alignment dowels so that everything comes together the right way and creates a uniform thickness all the way around. Now I just need to prep the carbon. So one of these sheets I'm hoping is big enough to actually cover everything as the backer piece, and then the other piece will get chopped up into the little pieces that then make the forged carbon fiber, which is actually just chopped strand carbon fiber that's cured. All right, so I got my chopped strand stuff ready to go. I have a solid piece of fabric ready to go. I have the helper ready to go. So yeah, we're just gonna lay this up and then compress it down and wait a day and see how it comes out. Alright, so we got this all rigged up. We got the clamp on. That's just a 3D printer extrusion, because as I was trying to clamp it down, I heard some cracking, so sped it out a little bit.